and moon. Sunrise 5:58 a.m. Sunset 6:15 p.m. Moonrise 2:46 p.m. Moonset 11:19 p.m. Tithi lunar day. Shukla Navami, the 9th day of the Shukla Paksh, waxing moon, until 2:16 p.m., followed by Shukla Dashmi. Significance: Shukla Navami is an auspicious time for spiritual practices and religious rituals, especially related to goddess Durga or Vishnu. It promotes success in efforts, healing, and rejuvenation. Nakshatra, lunar mansion. Purva Ashadha Nakshatra until 6:52 a.m., followed by Uttara Ashadha Nakshatra. Purva Ashadha represents victory, growth, and expansion. It is a favorable time for starting new ventures, education, and communication. Uttara Ashadha promotes success through hard work and discipline, focusing on long-term efforts and achievements. Yoga, Preeti Yoga until 5:15 a.m., followed by Ayushman Yoga. Preeti Yoga promotes harmony, relationships, and creative success. Ayushman Yoga supports long life, good health, and success in activities requiring focus and discipline. Karana, Garja Karana until 9:36 a.m., followed by Vanija Karana. Garja ideal for cooperative efforts and team-based work. Vanija good for business activities, trade, and financial transactions. Paksh, Shukla Paksh, the waxing moon phase, symbolizing growth and expansion. Samvatsara, Shaka Samvat 1946 Krodhi, Vikram Samvat 2081 Pingala, Gujarati Samvat 2080 Rakshasa. Auspicious timings: Shubh Muhurt, Brahma Muhurta 4:27 a.m. to 5:13 a.m., ideal for meditation, spiritual activities, and healing. Abhijit Muhurt 11:44 a.m. to 12:35 p.m., highly favorable for starting important tasks or making significant decisions. Amrit Kalam 11:45 p.m. to 1:23 a.m., 12th September, a positive time for new ventures, ensuring success. Inauspicious timings: Dur Muhurtam, Rahu Kalam 12:15 p.m. to 1:49 p.m., avoid starting new tasks or ventures during this period. Yamaganda 7:32 a.m. to 9:07 a.m., inauspicious for major activities. Gulikai Kalam 10:41 a.m. to 12:15 p.m., not favorable for new beginnings. Planetary positions: Sun, Surya in Leo, Sinha. Moon, Chandra in Capricorn, Makra, transitioning from Purva Ashadha to Uttara Ashadha Nakshatra. Mars, Mangal in Taurus, Vrishbha. Mercury, Buddha in Leo, Sinha. Jupiter, Guru in Taurus, Vrishbha. Venus, Shukra in Leo, Sinha. Saturn, Shani in Aquarius, Kumbha. Rahu in Pisces, Meena. Ketu in Virgo, Kanya. Additional observations: Chandra Rashi, Moon sign, Capricorn, Makra, throughout the day. Disha Shul, direction to avoid for travel. North, traditionally, travel towards the north is avoided on this day. Season, Ritu, Varsha Ritu, monsoon season, the season of renewal and growth, nourishing life and promoting abundance. Significance of the day: Wednesday, Budhavara ruled by Mercury, Buddha. Wednesday is associated with communication, learning, and business. It's an ideal day for intellectual work, planning, and financial activities. Uttara Ashadha Nakshatra favors efforts that lead to long-term success and achievements through discipline and perseverance. Good and bad yogas. Good yoga, Ayushman Yoga, supports good health and long life, making it a great day for wellness and long-term investments. Bad yoga, none specifically, but care should be taken during Rahu Kalam and other inauspicious periods.